Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
Dear devotees, today we are in Asha Mataji's house and she will cook haldi ki sabji. Haldi means turmeric sabji. She will cook it for Krishna. We need half kilo ghee. We will need salt as per taste. We will need half kg of fresh turmeric, half kg of peas, 250 grams of coriander leaves, 250 grams of methi leaves, 250 grams of big green chilies, smashed some cashew nuts and kishmish, 1 tablespoon of zira, 2 teaspoons of red chili, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now she is putting in hot ghee that fresh turmeric. Now she is frying this fresh turmeric for 20 minutes in half kg of ghee. After frying for 20 minutes, now she is removing that turmeric from that ghee. She was boiling this haldi, but after some 20 minutes, ghee starts to be separated from that haldi. So that means it's time to remove that haldi from frying ghee. Now she put more ghee. Now she is frying that green chili. This chili is not that small chili, which is very spicy. It is the bigger chili. And now she wants to put these peas. She fried those chilies for 5 minutes. Afterwards, she mixed green peas. Again, she is frying for 5 minutes. Now she will add salt. If somebody wants to keep her voice very nicely, then better not to eat salt. But Krishna created the salt, so salt gives nice taste to the food. And salt helps to have a nice digestion. Devotees cook for Krishna. They don't taste the food because whatever person touches the food with mouth, it considers as a contaminated food. So devotees never taste the food. Now she will put dry fruits like cashew and raisins. Again she will fry for 5 minutes. She checked if the green pea is ready by breaking it, and now she will put methi. Again she will cook for 5 minutes. Now she is putting chili powder. Now she will put coriander leaves.
Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Again she will fry for 2-3 minutes, and now she is mixing that haldi or turmeric with other ingredients. First she removed that ghee and put this mustard and zira seed and putting on the sabji. If somebody wants, one can fry those seeds as like zira and mustard in the beginning part when she put ghee. But even afterwards one can season it as like this. After 5-10 minutes it will get ready. For garnishing that food she will put fresh coriander leaves.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare